90% of US startups fail due to missed paperwork. That's why smart founders trust Doola Total Compliance. Hey everyone, Arjun here, CEO and founder of doola.com. Once you've launched your US business, the paperwork hits. There's tax forms, there's state fees, there's legal contracts, and owner information reports. It is tricky, and one wrong step could mean fines, penalties, or even in a downside scenario, losing your company. By the end of this video, you'll know how Doola Total Compliance keeps your US business legal and thriving without any stress. Plus, I'll show you how Doola handles everything so you can focus on growth. Let's dive in. What is Doola Total Compliance? Doola Total Compliance is a done-for-you service that handles everything from formation to ongoing compliance. It's your back office in a box, or your business in a box, built especially for global founders. That includes US and non-US founders who don't want surprises, just results. While other platforms might trap you with low prices, but then charge for every other critical step, like EIN registrations, annual filings, etc., Doola Total Compliance offers one all-inclusive subscription with no hidden fees or unexpected costs. What does Doola Total Compliance offer? First, business formation. We register your LLC or C Corp in any US state and apply for your EIN 100% remote without requiring any US address. Number two, business banking support. We help you open a US business bank account even as a non-US founder or as a US founder so you can start collecting global payments. Number three, sales tax registration and a reseller certificate. We'll help you, through our partners, register for sales tax in the right states and get a valid reseller certificate. No confusing forms, no guesswork. Number four, registered agent services, included across all 50 states, so you stay compliant year-round. Number five, a virtual mailing/business address. You'll get a real US business address, plus mail forwarding, so you never miss an IRS or legal notice. 6, annual state tax filings. We handle your franchise taxes and annual reports, tracking every deadline, so you don't have to. Number 7, a one-on-one tax consultation. Get your questions on deductions, entity structure, or taxes answered by a licensed expert. Number 8, your annual IRS tax filings. We prepare and file your federal business tax return so you don't face IRS penalties. Number 9, e-commerce analytics. If you're selling on Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy, you'll see product level insights, returns, and trends all in one smart dashboard. And number 10, transaction tracking and account sync. We sync your business bank accounts and cards so you can track every transaction without a spreadsheet. Number 11, invoicing and payments. Send branded invoices, track who owes you, and manage payments all inside your dashboard. Number 12, download financial reports. Access income statements, balance sheets, and tax-ready reports with one click anytime. Now here's what to expect after you sign up. Week 1, this is company formation. Your EIN filing is submitted, your registered agent is activated, and dashboard access is granted. Within week 2 to 3, this is typically when your EIN is issued. Now, this is dependent on the IRS. This is also when, once you get your EIN, you'll get business bank account setup support. And then month 1 onwards, this is when ongoing compliance management begins. Annual state tracking and alerts are activated, continued support, updates, and reporting. Who is Doola Total Compliance for? E-commerce businesses and first-time founders, we give you a done-for-you roadmap that covers everything from federal forms to state deadlines. Founders without an SSN or ITIN, that's a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. The Total Compliance Plan supports non-US founders at every step without requiring US paperwork or experience. And then solopreneurs or solo operators. If you are juggling multiple roles, the Total Compliance Plan acts as your virtual back office, keeping your business filings in check. Existing Doola customers, if you're already using Doola for formation or bookkeeping, upgrading to Total Compliance gives you complete protection. Now, if you're not sure if the Total Compliance Plan is for you, you can use this checklist. Do I want to stay 100% compliant with US laws without hiring an accountant or lawyer? Would I rather focus on growing my business than researching tax forms and deadlines? Do I want a single expert team handling everything from formation to tax filings? Am I managing my US business from outside the country and need local support I can trust? If you answered yes to any of these, Doola Total Compliance was built for you. Now, this is how Doola makes US business formation and compliance easy. Doola is your all-in-one business operating system, your business in a box built specifically for global founders. Instead of chasing 10 different providers, you get everything under one roof. From forming your LLC or C Corp to registering for sales tax, handling bookkeeping, and even filing taxes with the IRS. Doola is trusted by global founders. You can even compare pricing and plans to understand which plan is best for you. Let's break down our plans so you can actually choose which one's the right fit for you. The starter plan is $297 a year plus state fees. This is best for founders who just need the formation to open a bank account. Now here's what's included: formation documents, an EIN, a US business address, a registered agent, compliance deadline reminders. Now total compliance, that's $19.99 a year plus state fees. This is best for founders who want a done-for-you experience with annual compliance and tax support. Now what's included here is everything in the starter plan, plus annual state filings, IRS filings, a CPA call, sales tax registration guidance, an analytics dashboard, invoicing, and basic bookkeeping software. The business in a box plan, that's $329 a month plus state fees, or $2,999 a year. This is best for founders who want full service bookkeeping done by a human expert. What's included here is everything in total compliance, plus a dedicated bookkeeper who handles monthly/quarterly closings, reconciliations, and financial reports. So, are you ready to launch and stay compliant? Over 10,000 founders in 175 plus countries trust us, and I hope you'll be the next one. That is a wrap on stress-free US compliance. Please like, subscribe, drop any questions below in the comment. Our team is more than happy to help. And if you have any questions, you can book a free demo or get started with a free trial at doola.com today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.